Hey Vols, my name's Patrick with One Stop Student Services. In this video, we're going to be talking about making payments through your MyUTK. We're going to learn where to see your charges on your MyUTK, how to make a payment through your MyUTK, the options of payment methods, as well as where parents or other authorized users can log in to view billing information. In the next slide, we're going to look at a video showing Smokey's account. And when you log in as a student, you're going to land here on your MyUTK page. You're going to scroll down towards the bottom on the right. It'll say View/Pay Fees. Click that button and it'll take us to this payment landing page. Now when your parents or other authorized users log in, they're going to come to this landing page as well, see the same thing as you. So you're going to click what you would like to pay. For Smokey, we're going to pay his full balance here. Click that and then hit Go. And then in this first example, we're going to show you how to pay with a credit card. Now, do be advised, credit cards are going to charge a convenience fee. So the more economical method of payment is with your checking or savings account if possible. But if you are paying with a credit card, you would just continue to input your card information and then continue to the payment page. And then that will process your credit card payment. And now we're going to go back and look at how we pay with a checking account. We are also just going to pay Smokey's full balance, get him totally paid up today, and go to his checking account. And then you're going to select the electronic check method, continue, and then it'll give you the option to input your billing information on the right-hand side, and then your checking account information with your bank account number and routing number on the left-hand side. Once you enter all that information and it all looks correct, you're going to hit that confirm button and it's going to process your payment through your electronic checking account. And now if you have any other questions regarding making payments or need help with making payments, you can always call us at 865-974-1111 or email us at onestop@utk.edu, or if you want to research any other information, you can visit our website at onestop.utk.edu. Thanks for watching and go Vols!